across the sky during Operation Sindoor, with their underbellies carrying the same formidable arsenal. We also had the Mirage of the Tejas who showcased their mettle during Operation Sindoor. However, the formation showcases only multi-engine aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sindoor formation. Following is the Indian Air Force marching contingent, hallmark of one of the world's most professional air forces. Planned in ceremonial glue, the Air Warriors march in perfect synchrony, reflecting the rigorous training, unity of purpose, and unflinching commitment to duty. The marching contingent comprises 4 officers and 144 airmen, with contingent commanders Squad Leader Jagdish Kumar, Flight Lieutenant Prabhat Chandrakar, Squad Leader Nita Chaudhary, and Flight Lieutenant Dinesh Puri. Together, the contingent presents a powerful visual of the
कर्तव्य पथ पर आगे आ रही है पूर्व सैनिकों की झांकी संग्रामी से राष्ट्र निर्माण में वर्दी के साथ भी वर्दी के बाद तत्पर तैयार युद्ध में उपयोग में लाई गई युद्ध सामग्री की 3 आयामी दृश्य प्रदर्शित करती अमर जवान ज्योति का प्रतीक युद्ध नायकों को श्रद्धांजलि की जा रही है। पूर्व सैनिक हमेशा गर्व का प्रतीक। अगर शब्दकोश में गर्व की जगह पूर्व सैनिक लिख दें तो वह भी सही हो जाएगा। आपदा में अडिग, वीरता में अजीत और राष्ट्र सेवा में अटूट।
पीछे मुख्यालय एकीकृत रक्षा स्टाफ आईडीएस एवं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मिलिट्री अफेयर्स डीएमए रक्षा मंत्रालय की फ्री सेवा साथी जो ऑपरेशन सिंदूर संयुक्तता के माध्यम से विजय थीम को उजागर कर रही है। यह ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में तीनों सेनाओं की सामरिक समन्वय क्षमता और एकीकृत शक्ति प्रयोग को दर्शाती है।
Advancing in discipline formation along Kartavya Path is the Indian Coast Guard Band. The band is led by Uttam Adhikari Papanu Jiba, marching to presents a powerful display of patriotism, discipline and the proud traditions of the Indian Coast Guard, filling the entire atmosphere with national pride.
Standing at the forefront of India's march towards Atmanirbharta.
Continuing behind them with pride and precision is the Bharatiya Pet Rakshak contingent, the sentinels of our seas, led by Assistant Commandant Rishi Sharma with Assistant Commandant Apurva Hori.
Next, the Tableau from Defense Research and Development Organization stands at the forefront of India's march towards Atmanirbharta in defense, showcasing the long-range anti-ship missile design which coastal Atmanirbharta is.
Central Industrial Security Force Band, led by Sub-Inspector Karan Singh Rajpurohit. The powerful brass notes fill the ceremonial avenue with patriotic fervor as the band plays the inspiring tune Amar Senani, evoking pride, valor and invincible spirit of the nation. Right behind them, marching smartly to the stirring rhythm, is the Central Industrial Security Force contingent, confidently led by Assistant Commandant